back with our 68 Morgan 4.4. It's now the car is warmed up. We'll do a warm start for you. There's the electric fuel pump running. The idle is nice and smooth. The temperature was about 75 degrees C, and I'll bet you this is an 83 degree thermostat, so we're running below that 83 mark, so the car runs nice and cool. It's a well-sorted car and it's really nice to drive. Bob and I were just remarking that it's a really fun car, it drives smoothly. The other thing that I notice about this thing, two key observations, and then I'll let the car speak for itself. It's a very well damped car. The whole wooden, quirky, long-lasting, antique Morgan engineering and construction of their suspension, which is certainly antiquated by most metrics, is actually so nicely damped. The car drives, it has a really nice ride quality. So I find that very pleasant, much more so than like a T-Series MG that is not as supple in its ride quality. And the second thing is the car is quite quick and really fun as a performance car. And that's something that I think I've underestimated a little bit, but this is a really fun car to drive. So we'll show you how in this section. Tachometer is reading too high. That's not 4,000 RPMs, nor was that 5,000 through the twisty section. So that's one little grievance that I have with this, is the tachometer either needs to be rebuilt, or you just know that going in and you don't worry about it. But it is fun to drive. Oh, it's fully synchronized. I can go into first. Temperature is about 75. Nice, ready. Thank you for watching.